I will try to take off from hand and see what happens. Take off. Hello. Hi dear. So you are might asking what's that weird noise in the background. Let me show you. Uh, it's trickier than you think because that's a drone with a, just a second, with a toroidal propeller. It's a DJI Mini 2 which is flying with that toroidal propeller. How did I start and how it sounds? Just watch it. It's maybe not the best printing quality ever, but it's enough to test it with the DJI Mini drone what I had in my bag. I will try to fly it and just to see how the sounds is different. Again, I'm going with the assumption that these little propellers will fly. And before I will fly with the normal propellers of the stock propellers from DJI. Let's see, I have 3 batteries completely charged, so we can make a lot of tests today. If it flies, hopefully. So plug in the USB-C cable. It's a recommended zone to fly. And I will put it in a normal mode. And connected. That's okay. Skip and confirm. So that's what the drone sees at the moment. And let's see if I can fly with them. Whoa! So we have to carefully choose them. And that's the same type. This comes over here. And that should be, and it's the same type. And I hope that's the yeah, that's okay. So we have all the clockwise and counterclockwise propellers paired to the drone propeller's position, and now let's assemble it. I'm really wondering if this will fly, so yeah, let's see. First test. Okay, that went wrong. it's much more quieter. But the flight time, if you might check, it is reducing dramatically, even though the battery has some craft inside. So I will try to fly the drone. Oh, it's amazing. Actually, it is flying. It's not the fastest, but I can rotate. It's flying. Let's try the sport mode. It's amazing. That's amazing. The drone is just over there. And it is flying with the small red propellers. Okay, I will try to hand capture the drone and see if it's amazing. This is working. This is actually working. It's amazing. It's a bit harder to take it off, but it's working. Let's talk about the build quality. And as you might see, the printing results, it's not really impressive. It has a lot of printing failures in all of the toroidal propellers, and it's due to probably to the PETG. I'm using a PETG printing material for that, and it's could be to try to work to explore different kind of printing materials. So yeah, that was my result. If you would like to see similar videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next project. Oh, and by the way, you won't be able to close it, this DJI Mini 2, with the toroidal propeller, because it's fitting like that, and actually it's strange looking. So like, even though if you are able to close it, you won't be able to put it in the bag for sure. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.